going on, hustlers? Another day, another dollar. So I'm here with Paige. She's hiding over there. Not gonna say hello?
Hi.
So we were able to get through an entire pallet yesterday. We filled, what'd you say, 19? 19. Actually, it was probably like 21, 22, because we still have a couple at the house that we were keeping there for us. So we took 19 18-gallon storage totes up to the storage units full of stuff out of that pallet, sorted by, the category. Was it the household goods? Was it, tools and hardware type stuff? Was it electronics? We sorted it into different bins. And we kept a couple for ourselves, and then we pulled out some stuff for our older daughter that is getting married later this year to use at her wedding. But, it took us a few hours. Kathy, Paige, and myself digging through that thing. We were just having a blast. It was snowing. It was freezing cold. But, we made the day of it. We got everything moved up here today because we had enough yesterday. Got in an argument with eBay yesterday. How was that phone call, huh, Paige? Yeah. I decided to call and try and get my selling limits lifted. And they told me I'm not eligible to have them lifted because back in October we had 3 items returned that were fraudulent returns. But because the cases were ruled against me in such a short period of time, I literally went from being a power seller to 2 days. In 2 days period of time, those 3 returns took me down below standard. And because we stopped listing, because we took the winter off, there hasn't been enough activity to balance it out to bring it back up out of there. We've had sales, but they were slow sales. So, hopefully with us listing again, we're getting sales every day. We're here picking up a few items today that sold. Hopefully that won't be long. They're telling me it will reset. It does not reset exactly on the 1st. Somewhere between the 1st and the 7th, it will reset. So it's just crazy. eBay gets tougher and tougher on the sellers every day. But, it is what it is. We'll make do. We'll get through it. We'll continue to list stuff on Amazon. We're inventory and stuff, having it prepped and ready so that when, we hit that release of the next 500 items, we can just dump it with 500 more and go from there, And hopefully, it won't be long, maybe a month or so, and our numbers will be back up and we'll be able to get that increased. Kind of regret not doing it back in the fall when we kept bumping that number. We were getting pretty close to it each month. Not calling and getting the increase then because I wouldn't be in this situation. But lesson learned for those of you that start getting close to your selling limit numbers. Just keep your account good standings and make do and play the game. So most importantly, get out there and make some money.